Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anastasia. Here we talk about investing and especially investing for beginners. And in today's video we will be talking about Etoro. Etoro is a platform which is great for beginners, for investors and for day traders. And the best feature on Etoro, especially for beginners and for those who want to start investing passively, is copy trading. Copy trading is when you copy more professional and more experienced traders and investors. You don't pay any fees because Etoro, the platform itself, pays the fees to these popular investors. You just get the profits from the work of someone else. This is literally the genius idea and I love it. I use it myself. I'm very satisfied with the results. So in today's video, I would like to show you a step-by-step guide of how to start copy trading popular investors on Etoro. One of my subscribers requested this video in the comments under another video on my channel, so I hope that this person will watch this video and will find it useful. But if you are new to my channel and you still find this video interesting or useful, please consider subscribing to my channel as well. And comment under this video if there is any other topic that you would like me to cover. If it is something that I have the understanding of and I have some knowledge that I can share with you, I'll be more than happy to make this video for you. Thank you very much guys, and let's start. So I think it's pretty clear, but anyway I will mention it. Before you start copy trading someone, you have to register on Etoro. But once you've registered on Etoro, which is very simple and easy, then you have two options. First is to start investing real money straight away into your real account, or practice in your virtual account. And when I registered on Etoro, I first used my virtual account for several months just to understand how it works and to watch the performance of some popular investors before I felt ready to invest the real money into one of them. I am not planning to start copying anyone new in the nearest future. That's why I will show you how you do it in my virtual account as well. You can do it in your virtual account as a practice, and then if you feel ready, you can do the same in your real account. So first of all, let's look at my virtual profile. This is it. The market is active. That's why the price here changes all the time. This is the price of the shares, and every time it goes up, it turns green. Every time it goes down, it turns red. You are given 100,000 virtual dollars. This is not real money, but you can use it the way you want. And since I started, I made $3,500. This is just virtual money, remember. So if you want to start copying someone, you have to click this tab here, Copy People, and you will see all the different popular investors. So that means that they are the traders who showed some good results in the past and who you can start copying. And these are the traders that the platform recommends you. I think it is very important for them to get to this page and to get picked up by the platform to be recommended to other people, because obviously the more people copy them, the more popular they get and the more commissions they can potentially receive from the platform. If you found on the internet the information about some other investor who everybody recommends, then you can just search directly for his name here in the search tab. For example, if you want to look for J Nemesis, you just start typing the word J and you see his name. This is just an example because this is one of the guys who I copy, but I think that he's blocked from new copies at the moment because he reached some limits, so you cannot start copying him right now. Anyway, it might change in the future, I don't know. At the time of me recording this video, it's impossible. You can then click copy straight away for whoever you chose, or you can just first click on the name of this person. For example, let's look at this guy, because the black star, why I want to click at this particular guy is because the black star next to the profile picture of a popular investor means that he is at the highest level of popular investors. They are all divided into different levels, and the color of the star indicates this level. Black star means the highest level. So you click on it and you can see the feed where the popular investors share some news or comment on the investments that they made. You can also comment below, you can like their posts, you can ask some questions here. This is the first thing that you see when you open their profile. Then you click on their stats I think this is the most important page when you choose a popular investor. I made another video about how to choose a popular investor, who I copy and why I chose these exact people. I'm not going to talk about it in this video, but if you want to hear about it, you can click on the link in the description box below this video. So this is their previous performance. You can see how long the person's been on the platform and what results this person managed to achieve. You can see the number of copies this person has. This one has 19,000 copies, which is a lot. You can see the average risk score, 4% is quite low. You can see how many trading they made. The more trades, the more active the trader is, so potentially it may indicate higher results for you. Then you see the company that this person trades and some additional stats. If you click on the portfolio of this person, you will see all the different companies that this person invested in. Why it is important is because you may want to diversify your portfolio if you already copy other people or if you've already bought the individual shares of some companies. And so maybe if you want to start copying someone else, you may want this person to invest into different companies. And you also want to see how high a percentage you will have invested into a certain company. So you will have 5% of your money invested into this company, Citigroup. Now you have to start thinking in percentages. I spoke about it in the video where I told you how much money you have to invest in order to passively live out of the profits made solely from copy trading. But basically, if you invested $100 into this guy, $5 out of your 100 will go into this exact company. This is how it works. Then you go all the way down, you see on some companies he made profits, on other companies he's at a loss at the moment. You go down and you see that this guy has almost all of his money invested. Only 0.02% of this money would be available for you at any moment, because the other money would be invested into different assets. In my opinion, it is good, because if you invested this money into someone, you already want this money to work. You don't want them to just hold this money. But this is the strategy that some investors use. They hold some cash in case they think that the market crash will happen and they will need this cash to be invested into the companies, because with this guy, as all of the money is invested right now, in case the market collapses and the market crashes, he will not have any spare cash to buy the shares at a lower price. So then you have two options. If you are still not sure about this person, you are not sure whether you want to invest or not, but you want to follow this guy and you want to see his performance over a certain period of time before you can trust him with your money, you want to add this person into your watch list, not to lose him. So you click here and you can add him to your watch list, or you can create a new list and add this person here. For example, I have a new watch list which I've just created and it's called Copy People for YouTube. So I click here and it straight away says that this person has been added to my watch list. The other option is, if you've been watching this person for a long time, or you're 100% sure that you want to invest into him right now, then you click copy. You have to decide how much money you want to invest into this person. And if you want to invest a little sum of money, for example, $50, the system will not let you do so, because the minimum amount of copy right now is $500. Etoro says that this is a temporary measure, because when I registered on Etoro in August 2020, the minimum sum to stop copy a person with was $100 or $200, but it was definitely much lower than $500. At the time when I record this video, which is in April 2021, it is $500, but you have to check for yourself, because by the time you watch this video and you actually decide to copy someone, this can change. So right now we can start copying this person only with $500. Okay. And then you have a stop loss automatically set up for you. You have to decide whether it's something that you want to do or not, and how much money you are prepared to risk before you want to stop copying this person. Always remember that when you copy trade someone, it is a real person behind the screen sitting there. Anything can happen in this life. That's why it's better to be safe than sorry. I always put a stop loss, and I always put it quite high. So for example, for the person who I've just started copying, I'd probably put a stop loss of about $400. So if the value of my money goes below $400, my copy will stop automatically. So at the moment I will stop copy this person automatically if the copy value drops below $300, but if I wanted to edit it, I'd have to click this button here, and it shows me that I will stop copying this person if the copy value drops below 60%. And if I wanted to change it, I would have two options. The first option is to leave it as the sum, so where you put the actual sum of money, or by clicking on this button you can see the same information but in percentages. So you can see that, for example, you want to put your stop loss at 80% or at 20%, well then it's up to you. Then automatically you have this box ticked, so if you don't untick it, you will copy open trades. I always copy people with open trades. That means that if I click this button here now, when I start copying this person, I will automatically buy all the positions that are opened by this person at the moment. If I untick this field here and I don't copy open trades, so like that, this will mean that I will put my money into this person, but my money will not get invested until this person opens a new position. And that's it. And then all you have to do is just click copy. So we start copying this guy here, we click copy, and I have $500 invested into Richard Strauss. Never heard of this guy. It will be really funny if the results I get from him are better than the results of other people who I copy with my real money. Then you can see how much money you lose or make with this person by going to your portfolio. And somewhere at the bottom, probably here, you will see that you have 500 invested with him. And at the moment, of course, it shows you that you haven't made or lost any money with him, but give it several minutes and this value will change. If you want to stop copying someone, it's very easy. You can just click here, you can add funds if you want to add more funds into this person, you can remove the funds if you want to remove some funds, you can pause copy, you can set copy stop loss, you can stop copying, and you can also write a new post, but that's not about copy trading. I don't recommend closing the copy unless you really need the funds or you are completely not satisfied with the popular investor you chose, because every time you start copying someone you have to pay the spread fees. And of course, the less fees you pay, the better it is for you. If you click on remove the funds, with this guy in particular, we see that we cannot remove any funds. That's because all of the money that you put into him is invested somewhere else. I told you that only 0.02% of your money that you have invested with this particular popular investor is free, meaning that you can take this money out. So from $500, 0.02% is less than $1. That's why you cannot even take this money out at all. So if you want to take some money out, then you can pause the copy. But once you pause the copy, the new positions that this person opens will not get opened for you. Or you can just remove the funds by stop copying the popular investor. Then you can just click this button here, stop copying. And that's it. You stopped copying this person, meaning that you have $500 back into your account. So that's it. I think the process is pretty much straightforward, and if you decide to do it, I definitely recommend you to play around a little bit in your virtual account first. But I really hope that after watching this video you feel more confident about investing and copy trading through eToro. Thank you very much guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.